Hi, this is the Huawei P10 Lite and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. First, we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and on the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click here yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So after that, you'll see here information about your battery temperature, and in my case that's 28 degrees, and also I get here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.